Bona ddigon, bona ddigesau, bore da a chroeso. Very good morning and welcome to the Halliwell Theatre. It's lovely to have you with us here in Caerfyrddin in Carmarthen. My name is Mal Pope. I'm your host for the duration of the day. Please. And before anyone asks, I'm not going to sing Fireman Sam. Well, maybe later. I sang Fireman Sam, that's the gag. Okay, lovely to have you with us. Now then, today is being filmed, and we've got some QR codes around because there's lots of different ways that you can connect with today's, the whole running of today's event. Okay, so Rodri's got the QR codes. We'll maybe put some down the front of the stage. But we've got people coming from all over Wales. Some of them haven't arrived yet, so there might be people coming in and out, so make allowances for that. So, croeso i'r round dyfarnol, Cystadleuaeth bob Sgiliau Cymru here at the Halliwell Theatre. Isn't it fantastic? It's so exciting. Okay, I'm an old guy, right? I'm an old guy, but to see so many young people getting so enthusiastic about making music. Today's a competition, but it's not really. You know, you never know who you're going to meet today. You might meet your best composer that you're going to write hit records with, or you might meet somebody you're going to play with for the rest of their lives. I met my drummer at a Battle of the Bands competition before the war. You know, so you never know who you're going to meet. So today is about saying hello to people. Don't stay in your little gangs. Say hello. Say, I'm so-and-so, I'm from here, I play guitar, what do you do? And the great thing about social media, no matter what the media says about it, it's a great way of connecting with other musicians. And that's what today's all about. So we've got 11 bands from colleges right across Wales competing today. We've got 3 distinguished judges. And I want a round of applause after I mention all of them. From University of Wales, Trinity St David, Simon Kilshaw. Who just happened to mention that in the Guardian University Guide for Music Technology, his college came number 1 in the UK. Llongyfarchiadau, Simon. We've got one of the students that has come through that system. He's got a new EP coming out soon. His name is Brooke Fox. If we can keep this enthusiasm going till 4 o'clock, I'll be shocked. And Sam Humphries, guitarist from Calon and producer. Okay. We've got a long way to go. There can be 5 sections, so just so you understand what the voting's all about today. 5 sections. Number 1, musicality. 2, technical arrangement. 3, stagecraft and awareness. 4, ensemble skills. 5, arrangement and selection. 6, market awareness and originality. Obviously, we love doing this, you know. This is how I sort of make my living, and I have done for years. Because it's all very well writing stuff in your bedroom. You've got to try and make a living out of it as well. Brooke Fox shows that you can. He's come through the system as well. Sam Humphries shows that he can. Simon's is teaching people how to do this. So there's a way of turning this into a living, but you've got to be aware about all the different markets that are around at the moment. Okay, competition rules. Call times and stage times have been given to the bands already. Call times are 25 minutes before the stage time, so just keep an eye on the clock because you don't want to be late on stage because there's going to be a limited amount of time to do your sound check. Now, make sure, whichever band you're in, you're happy with your monitor mix. You're going to do 3 songs. You don't want to get to song 2 and say, oh, I wish I'd had the bass louder. I wish I could have heard something. So make sure before you start, you probably have 5 minutes or 10 minutes to get that right. We won't be angry. We just want your performance so you don't feel bad at the end of the day. Now then, if there are any technical difficulties, it might sort of change a little bit. The judges are aware of that. If it's going smoothly, we'll move on quicker. Okay, make sure, yeah. Each band will play 3 songs. The songs will be covers or originals. Now then, inappropriate and offensive language will not be tolerated. If you, obviously, you know, it's art. We are filming this, and so there will be a bit of a time delay. It's not appropriate for today, okay? Because it will be broadcast as well later on. There'll be no results today after the judging has been moderated. The announcement online of a celebration event on Wednesday, the 18th of March, 2026. But there will be a separate band. Each band competing will give their favorite band of the day. So there'll be a celebration at the end. It's not a competition, and this is from someone who in 1997 got through to the Song for Europe. 17 million people on BBC One and came last. It hurt. It hurt. But I met so many people going through that whole process that I turned into contacts and turned into money later on. So it's meeting people today. It is competition, but it's a chance to get your music out. So we're ready to start. Have we got Glass Angels? Are Glass Angels around? Fantastic, Glass Angels. So come and take the stage, Glass Angels. Let me tell everybody a little bit about Glass Angels from Coleg Llandrillo in Menai. Coming up, get yourself sorted. Obviously, take as much of the time that you can to get yourself all sorted, so you're happy. Up-and-coming alternative rock band currently gigging across North Wales and Chester, delivering high-energy performances on stage of all sizes. They've got an upcoming release called End of It, available on all streaming platforms from February the 13th. They've had a little bit of extra time for sound checking, so maybe their sound check won't take quite so long because they were a year early. We managed to get all the sounds properly, so. You all happy? You're happy with your sound? Ladies and gentlemen, Boneddigan a Boneddigesiau, from Coleg Llandrillo, Glass Angels!
Go. Yeah, sweet. Thank you. Yeah, hello everyone. Our name is Glass Angels. We've got one last song for you today. This next song is actually the song that's going to be released very shortly, on the 13th of February, so keep an eye out. Diolch pawb am dod. Thank you everyone for coming. Hope you enjoy our last song. Take this time to introduce the band. We have Yuan on bass. We have Danny Barlow on the drums. We have Ruben on the lead guitar. My name's Josh, we've been Glass Angels. We've all been amazing so far.
Want to believe, so don't hurt yourself. You know what I mean. Since we got
us. We are Glass Angels de Cabal.
Every Glass Angels, one more time. And a big shout out for this man. What time is it? It's like